What's going on, guys? In today's video topic is going to be over, should I only wholesale or should I also flip and do other strategies in real estate investing? And guys, to answer that question is, you should do the whole thing. Now, starting off with real estate wholesaling is usually, obviously, that's going to be the easiest entry point to real estate investing because you can do it with minimal actual capital, although it does take money to get into real estate wholesaling. I know there's a lot of no money down stuff. I totally disagree. You're gonna have to have something, even if it's $100, it's gonna cost you something, guys, to get into real estate wholesaling. That's just part of the gig, and it's gonna cost you sweat equity, time, energy, and resources. But listen, should you only wholesale? The answer is no, you should not only wholesale. Now wholesaling to me is gonna be the strategy that we go with a majority. So for us here at Freedom Hawk, our goal is to contract 11 properties each month. And out of those 11 properties, we want to keep 3 or 4 to ourselves as actual projects, whether they're hotels or flips, etc. Now listen, as we start to mature as a company, as a business, then we'll start keeping some of those as buy and hold properties and do all that. But listen, guys, if you want to be a long-term real estate investor, in my humble opinion, guys, you need to skin a cat in multiple different ways, guys. You got to wholesale. That's going to bring in cash flow. That's going to bring in revenue. You want to flip because flips are going to give you larger profit, larger margins on your deals. And you want to wholesale. Hotels are a beautiful way to take that wholesale deal and actually maximize a little bit of profit. And you just put that thing back on the MLS and you sell it to a retail buyer as is. And that way you can maximize your profit. So guys, you want to maximize every strategy there is. And obviously, guys, the end goal, I mean, for me, I don't know this about you guys, but it's multifamily apartment units, it's storage units, it's mobile home parks, it's the whole thing, guys. This is where you want to be. That's going to create long-term wealth. But in the beginning, you want to develop your real estate wholesale business where you're doing 5, 6, 7, 8 deals a month minimum. Then, obviously you want to grow that out. You want to do hotels, you want to do flips, you want to do the whole 9 yards. But guys, you want to use every avenue in real estate that you can. You don't want to be a one-trick pony. You don't want to just get stuck as a wholesaler. It's a very small game to play. So in my humble opinion, guys, you need to look into all areas of the real estate investment world. It is an abundance of opportunity for all of us, guys. So listen, if you like this content, like, share, subscribe, show me some love. Please like this, give me some love. If there's a certain topic, a certain thing you want to go over, message me directly, give me some input. I'd love to hear from you guys. My goal is to have 1,000 videos by the end of 2020, and I have a lot of work to do, guys. So go out there, crush it, and take care.